My name is Gabriel and I'm going to explain you this mind map with some concepts and how can they help us and they are related. The first one is homonym. Homonym is a word that is written and pronounced in the same way, but it has a different meaning. For example, close and close. So close, that's, for example, close the door, but also is the distance that you have to your place. I'm close to you. The another one, it's a homographs that includes same spelling, different meaning, and different pronunciation. For example, the word present and present. Okay, one is for the tense, for time tenses, and another one is for to show something. The another one is homophones. These ones are same pronunciation, different meaning, and different spelling. An example would be bread, like the color, and red, like the action in the past. Another example would be right, like you're good, and right, like the action, right? Something that is related to homographs is the heteronyms. That same spelling, different pronunciation, and different meaning. For example, a very common word that it's dessert and dessert. Okay, so one it's like something you eat, like a cake, like something sweet after your meal, and the other one is the big space with a lot of sand and a lot of heat. Now, another thing that we can see is polysemy. That's a word that has two or more similar meanings. For example, foot and foot. So you can write it the same, you can pronounce it the same, but has different meanings. Holonomy is, I'm telling you a lot of sub-concepts, but holonomy is like the main concept. The other one that is on top. Meronymy, it's part of something that means that the homophones are meronyms of homonymy. Okay, so those are meronyms. Something that it's like sub concept of something. Another one is clients. Clients is it's something that can be graded. Okay, for example, in here we have an example right here. You can see it's I'm talking about the grades of heat or cold. In this case is freezing, cold, cool, warm, and hot. Okay, so we have in the same like temperature, we have different with different steps. Also, I'm going to explain you something that it's called connotative and denotative meaning. When we see a word, we have connotative meaning and denotative meaning. For example, the word bad. Bad is commonly used for things that are not good for us. It's the opposite of good. Is an antonym. So I'm explaining you that word can be used also with a connotative meaning. Connotative means that if you know what is the word, you know how to write it, but you can use it in a different way. For example, youth people now uses as a description of, how can I explain, of an action that was bad in a bad word, which means it was good. That's a connotative meaning. Is not the literal meaning. The literal meaning is the denotative meaning. Commonly, it's found in the dictionaries. So those are the difference in those concepts. And that's all for today. Thank you.